Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to fix the operation could not be completed error 0x00000709 printer error. So, let's dive right in. The first method is to set your printer as the default. Press Windows plus R, type Control, and press Enter to open the control panel. Go to Devices and Printers, right-click on your printer and select Set as Default Printer. If prompted, confirm the change, then restart your PC and check if the error is resolved. The second method is to edit the registry settings. Press Windows plus R, type Regedit, and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to HKEY_CURRENT_USER. Then on the right side, look for Device. Double-click it and enter your printer's name exactly as it appears in Devices and Printers, followed by a comma and WinSpool, ni00. Click OK, close the registry editor, and restart your computer. Your printer should now work without the error. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.